Summer is a great time for canning because of the abundance of fresh local fruit. What you need is a food processor, cane sugar, pectin, a lemon for certain recipes, a lid lifter, a funnel, a jar lifter for hot jars, a ladle, and the rings and lids. I like to make a batch that will fill one case, and that's what I plan to do. And these are half-pint jars, which are perfect for gifts. For home use, I typically use a larger jar, the standard pint jar, for home use. Following the instructions in the box of pectin for strawberry jam. 5 cups of prepared strawberries, washed and stemmed, and 7 cups of sugar. That's a little high for my taste. So that's why we're using the low sugar pectin, and we'll be using half the amount of sugar, 3.5 cups. Prepared strawberry into a food processor, and we're going to just chop these, not puree them, because after all we're making jam, and jam is to have a texture, it's not jelly. So just chopped. Cook the fruit. Bring it to a high boil. Add the 1 box of pectin. Bring the mixture to a full boil again. Then you add the sugar. Boil for 1 minute. Now we're ladling the hot strawberry jam mixture into the hot sterilized jar. You leave about 1/8 of an inch airspace on top. I like to go ahead and ladle in 3 jars at a time before sealing so that it remains hot. A little bit more to top it off. Wipe off the rim from any juice so that it makes a good seal. The lids have been sterilized in boiling hot water. And use the ring to seal. Once sealed, let these stand for about 24 hours at room temperature so they can cool and the lids will seal. You'll be able to tell that the lids have sealed because it's the top doesn't click, and when they are cooling, the jars will click, and that's how you know they're sealing. If one does not seal completely, either discard that or you could refrigerate it right away.